I came on pretty much a perfect day. The weather is amazing. Hopefully I can get some ATV riding in today. It's nice and early. My flight landed at 6:30 a.m. and it only took maybe an hour to get through customs and everything. So we stopped off on the way from the airport to the hotel to get some food. Oh, what was that? Did y'all see that? Oh, it's a sprinkler. Okay, it's a sprinkler. Calm down. You know, there's like coffee trees everywhere. I'm thinking that's what that is as well. Anywho, this is the restaurant. So something strange I just discovered. I was wondering why traffic had kind of backed up. We came to a bridge where it was like one lane, so only some people could go across while the other lane had to wait to come back across. I don't know how they determined who was gonna go when, because there's no light, there's no stop sign. They just did it. I just followed along. I guess I'm going too slow because somebody's going around me. Hikers to kind of tag along with, so I wouldn't be on this hike by myself, but they were going so fast I could not keep up. Sorry. Whoops. Just don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down. Millions have crossed this bridge. Okay, I gotta hold on with both hands. I can't worry about it. I am conquering so many fears. And look at that view. Y'all, this wind is whipping. Oh my God. Just what I was looking for. A "you are here" sign. Yes. Alright, so I'm there. And I still have to hit all these spots. Now the whole trail is 2 hours if you want to do the whole thing, but they do have shortcuts throughout. I'm really just trying to get to the waterfall. That's what I care about. So it's called Hanging Bridges with an S for a reason. There are multiple of these unstable bridges that you have to get across. It is very pretty though, which helps me to not be scared. If you do get tired, they do have little seats every once in a while that you can sit down and take a rest if you like. If you look further, that is the bridge that I was walking over. Isn't that crazy? That's why I said, don't look down, don't look down. What is that? Oh, hell no. You're my map. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Which way? Izquierda?
Well, the entrance used to be that one.
Oh, till COVID.
Pandemic came in and they taught an entrance.
Oh, good. This is Anthony, guys, my guide. He just happened to be in the parking lot. That was awesome. It feels so good today. It's not too hot.
Oh, it's a good weather.
Yeah.
Well, these days it's all these days it's being good, right?
Mm-hmm. I think tomorrow it's supposed to rain.
7 million years. They're from a long, long time ago.
Oh.
Basically, the name comes because of the form that they have in the branches. Like a monkey.
Like a monkey, yeah. Oh, and there's one really coiled. literally in the middle of nowhere. When people say middle of nowhere, this is middle of nowhere. This is what they're talking about.